So now let's understand this code here, which is importing financial time series data. Okay. So we will use Yahoo Finance and we'll use a package named Yfinance to get the data from Yahoo Finance. So the package is very simple. So as you know in Python, for those who are never coded, you can just think about package as a series of code which is already there. You just import and get the benefit of it. So your Yfinance is a package which has written few lines of code to get the data from Yahoo Finance website and give it to us. Okay. So by simply saying import Yfinance SYF, we are able to get the all the code which some smart chap has written. Since it is open source, we can easily access each other's code. Since this package is open source. So by doing this, Yfinance is available. And by saying SYF, now we have the shorter name to refer to this. It's just that sometimes someone has a very big name. We use a shorter name to call it again and again because it's more convenient. Similarly, here we are using YF, which is a shorter name for Yahoo Finance, Y Finance. Okay. So the second line of code is yf.download. So download is the method inside this yf which will help us to get the data. The first parameter to this method is the ticker of the symbol. So here it's KO, which is for Coca-Cola. And second parameter is the start date. So here the start date is 1st of Jan 2019. And then it's the end date till when we want the data. And data.head will show us the first 5 rows of this package. To run this code, you simply have to press shift and enter. So you will see a star mark while the code is executing, and once the code is done executing, it will change to a number. Okay, so now what you can do is you can change the ticker of the symbol, you can change the start date and end date and see how the output changes. So change the ticker to your favorite stock or favorite commodity or favorite any financial asset and change the start date and end date and you will see the output change. Okay, so one of the easiest thing to do is let's say I want to change this to Tesla. So the ticker for Tesla is TSLA. I'll change the date to let's say 2022 and end date has to be after that. Let's say I do it to May and I just run this. So now I have a data for Tesla. If I want to see the bottom 5 rows, not the top 5 rows, but the last 5 rows, I can use the method tail. So tail will give me the last 5 rows, and as you can see, I have the data for May of 2022, where the Tesla was around 760. So let's say if I want to access the adjusted close price, I can just write data, and in the square brackets, I can write the name of the column, which is ADJ and close. So I'll get the adjusted close price data. And if I want to calculate the daily percentage change of what is the percentage change on daily basis, then there is a convenient method in Python, which is pct underscore change. And by running this, I'll get the daily percentage change. So how to read this? So from 3rd of Jan to 4th of Jan, the price moved by -4%. And on the next day by -5%. So Apple stock has really done very bad at the start of the year, like with -4 and -5, which is almost 9% down in 2 days, and rest of the days are also pretty bad. So with this, what I just did is we can also analyze the data. Okay, but as you can see, this is becoming very difficult for me as I don't know what happened over a longer time frame, and the best thing to do here is to visualize the data.